Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam had 12 sons. Their descendants multiplied so greatly that Makkah could no longer contain them, and they spread across the entire Arabian Peninsula. Until Abdul Muttalib was born, and among his sons was born Abdullah, the most handsome and the purest of character, the one honored to be the father of the Prophet. Abdul Muttalib was commanded in a dream to dig the well of Hazrat Ismail alayhi salam, the well of Zamzam, which had been sealed by a man named Mudad ibn Amr. The reason was that the people of his tribe had been greatly disrespecting the house of Allah. So this man removed all the wealth, gold, silver, and swords from the Kaabah, threw them into the well of Zamzam, and sealed it shut. Abdul Muttalib went to the place shown to him in his dream along with his son Harith. When they began digging, signs of the well started to appear. At this, the Quraysh could not hold back. They cried out, "By Allah, this is the well of Ismail, and we too have a right over it. Include us, or we shall quarrel." Abdul Muttalib replied, "Let someone judge between us." So the group of Quraysh set out with Abdul Muttalib to seek a judgment. Along the way, they encountered tribes who were dying of thirst, certain that death had come upon them. They came to Abdul Muttalib. The moment his mount rose to move, a spring of water burst forth from beneath its feet. Witnessing this miracle, everyone declared, "The judgment belongs to Abdul Muttalib," and the dispute of the Quraysh came to an end. When the digging continued further, gold, silver, and swords emerged from within. Lots were drawn to decide their ownership, and the name of the Kaabah was drawn, so its door was adorned with gold. Before the digging of the well, Abdul Muttalib had made a vow. "O Allah, if you make this digging easy for me, I will sacrifice my son in your path." Now that the well had been found, he was commanded in a dream to fulfill his vow. "Now sacrifice your son."